Hey everybody, Chris at Ujoint. I've already done a video on this van. This is the spec van that we just put together. That was more for sale video and to show how we initially built it. This it has sold. It's going to Colorado, and so we changed a few things. This customer, he's actually in the industry and wanted to change out a few of the items to support and promote the companies that he works with. So I said no problem, and so now it's done. It's complete. It's ready to go home. And that's it. So we've been calling it a spec van. Its actual, internal name was V10 because it's my 10th van project, but I thought that might be a little confusing since it's a 5.4 V8. So spec van is the name it got. We didn't change anything on the suspension. All we did underneath was add our onboard air system. We swapped out the lights in the bumper for some lights from Baja Designs, and we added some of these big boy LP9s up top. Gorgeous lights, I love them. I used mine last night in the rain, and they're a lifesaver. What else? We changed the wheels to some wheels from Method. I don't know the exact model name, but you can check out their website. I'll give you a view of the OBA. There's the onboard air compressor and the 2.5 gallon tank, and we plumbed it to the front and rear bumpers. I do get a lot of questions about the bumper. This is our bumper that we design and make, and we completely manufacture 100% in-house. It's part number FB002. We changed out the roof rack to a front runner rack. I don't know if they put one of these on an E-Series before, but it looks good. He added some extra slats to the rear, so he has a little platform. Sits up nice. We had to make some spacers to space the rack up 1/8 of an inch from the mounts to clear the hardware. Because these mounts had to be so wide. So I'm sure he'll give him some feedback and tell him if they make the mounts a little different, it'll work better. Make the rack could be another 2-3 inches wider. Out back we added an aluminum tire carrier, and that's it. Besides a good cleaning, that's all we did, and she is ready to go home. So if you missed the first video, this van has our 6-inch four-wheel drive conversion on 35-inch Toyo AT2s, single Fox 2.0, stage 2 front axle with RSC upgrade and 456 gears, Detroit True Track. It's got an S-Pod under the hood to control all the lights. I'll show you that in a second. We powder coated the rear bumper, flush mounted some rigid Ignite series lights out back. It's got an aux locker. We've had really good luck with these things. We're starting to have too many problems with the ARBs with internal leaks and taking them apart and putting them back together and finding the leak, and it just became a real hassle. So we switched to aux, and they've been much more reliable. Cable actuated. Here's our side steps, part number SS002. Here's the S-Pod, control all the lights and the OBA. And this interior, it's basically stock 12-passenger E-Series. No other mods besides the shifter boot and the aux selector. So that's it. Super clean, super nice 2012 E350 5.4, and it's ready to go. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. Check us out on Instagram and Facebook if you don't already. We appreciate the support. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments or shoot me an email, Chris at ujointoffroad.com. Thanks.